Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Skyway Classics. I'm Ryan. We have Nyla behind the camera here.
Hello.
Today we're also looking at this gorgeous 63 Impala SS. It's a real SS, numbers matching motor as well. It's a 327 and brand new top on the convertible with vintage air. This is a very nice car. It's on the upper end of the spectrum in terms of it being a driver quality. It's probably actually a little bit nicer than a driver quality car.
Yeah, it's pristine.
Paint is a showroom finish. I mean, this is unbelievable. It's like a mirror finish. Paint's in really good condition. And as you can see, with this new top came a new rear window. Nice and clean, not fogged up or anything like that. Correct badging. Love these. It's really cool. Really eye-catching color scheme. Love the red and white. Interior is also pretty much all original minus that vintage air. Automatic transmission. No rips or holes in any of the upholstery and these seats. We also have good floors. Nice carpeting. Nothing stained or heavily worn out. So she's a really pretty car. And she drives really nice too, which we're about to find out.
Alrighty.
So let's go hit the road, yeah?
Sounds good.
Let's go ahead and crank her up here. Horn works, which is fun. So I want to draw your attention here. This thing is pretty awesome in terms of how it shifts back in the day. So you gotta go a little bit over and then all the way down. So pretty rare feature here. And you got an aftermarket stereo. Yeah, she's nice. But let's go for a drive. It is a power steering car and front disc conversion. I think I already mentioned that potentially. And I believe it's actually power, but double check our photos. We'll be able to see if it is or isn't. Absolute boat, super smooth. It's gigantic. It's probably a 16, 18-inch steering wheel. Really fun to drive though. Lots of room. I'm 6'2", and I'm swimming in this thing. Got a gorgeous car. Drives like a dream. Just absolutely floats down the road.
Yep.
Love these things. So
Awesome.
we're gonna head back to the shop and we'll put her on the lift and take a view of the undercarriage.
All right, come check it out.